Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be telling us about HTML comments. An element can be put in a comment tag, and I'm going to show us what a comment tag looks like. So let's clear our VS Code and let's have a h1 element, and then inside the h1 of course we are going to have this is our comment. Okay, this is our comment, and we close our h1 tag, and then let's view our browser to see if it will show. Okay, this is what we have on our browser. Now let's go back and comment this code out and see what happens. So the HTML comment is made up of an opening arrow bracket, an apostrophe, exclamation mark rather, with two dash. Yeah, that's the opening comment, and of course you still have to close it. We still have to close it, and we'll close it by reversing this. So we start with two dash and what a closing arrow bracket. Now let's go to our browser to see if it will still appear. So our browser is empty. Why? Because we've commented the h1 element out. It's not going to appear on our browser. So let's go back and add another element. This time we are going to be adding a p tag, and this is our paragraph. Okay, let's close our p tag, or let's close our p tag. Right, so let's view our browser. Well, the p tag is showing, but the h1 is not showing because we commented it out. Now let's go back and remove our comment to see if it will still show. Of course, it has no reason why it shouldn't show. Now if you notice, the color of the opening and the closing tag of this element is actually changed color, so it means that we've removed the comment. When we put the comment, it becomes invisible, like it fades out, the color becomes fainty because it's not going to be rendered. So let's view our browser to see what we have. So we have, this is our comment, which is the one we have in our h1 tag, and of course our paragraph, which we have in our p tag. So this element can be seen on our browser because we want our users, our visitors, to actually see them, but the ones that we commented out are meant for the programmers alone to see. So it's on that note that we have this little note here. These comments are used to type codes that the programmer don't want to show to the users. It usually serves as a reminder or a title. Note: all commented elements are not rendered by the browser. So guys, I would always encourage us never to be a lazy programmer. Thank you for having me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.